In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom emojis on your messages in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So if you want to write a message with emojis, just go ahead and type your message and then head over to this emoji icon and click on it. Now remember, we want to add a custom emoji, which means it is an emoji that I have on my computer. To add it, go ahead and click on add emoji if your emoji is not amongst them. So I'll click on add emoji and then upload image, and this will take me to my computer. And under download, I already have the emoji that I want, and it is this happy face emoji. So if I click on it and then click on open, you can see the emoji has been downloaded. From here, proceed and click on save, and your emoji has been added to your Slack. However, you can see it is not added to the message. So to add it to the message, go ahead and click on the message and then click on emoji again and scroll down until you get to the bottom, and here you'll see we have custom. Now from here, go ahead and look for your emoji that you have just added. So mine was happy face emoji, which is this. Click on it and it will be added, then send to members by just clicking on send here. So that's how you can add custom emojis on your messages in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.